Hey guys, it's Rob. This is flight 61 with the Gaui, and the only reason I'm video recording it is I want to actually try some inverted flying. I haven't done that with this Gaui yet, so I'm just going to give it a go. If there's any luck or success, I'll put it on YouTube, otherwise I won't. Okay, it's on idle up 3, and let's give it a go. Try and flip it first to make sure it's got enough negative. Oh yeah, it should fly inverted. That was full negative collective and it was going up while it was inverted. Okay. God, I've got the adrenaline shakes already, haven't even tried. Okay. If anything, this should be easier. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, that's nice and stable inverted. Just make sure I can climb inverted. As you can see, I'm slowly bringing it down just because it's so stable. Oh, this is a big advantage. That's definitely the lowest I've flown a big helicopter inverted. God, it's stable. It's almost as stable as the MCPX. Oh, my heart's pounding. I'm trying to just keep it calm. Oh God, fingers are just shaking like you wouldn't believe. I don't know why, it's actually quite easy. Okay, this is going to be my inverted practice helicopter. I want to get it down to head height. Okay, I've actually got full negative collective then, and it's just only barely going up, so... Oh, might stop it there. Whew. Wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, need a rest, I think. Oh, that gave me the shakes. Okay, that was all right, but just towards the end I had to put full negative collective to get it go up inverted. So I'm just going to increase the swash setting just a little bit, just in the pitch, and that should give me a little bit more control response in the negative. God, I'm shaking. I don't know why. It was actually very, very stable. Okay, I had 50% on the pitch, and now I'm moving it to 60%. Let's see how much of a difference that makes. Okay, I'll make sure I don't get any binding on the controls. Oh no, there's plenty of free movement there. That should work fine. Okay, take a breath, let's do it again. Whew, adrenaline. adrenaline like you wouldn't believe. Okay. Still got 5.5 minutes left on the timer. How good is that? Okay. You just have to get used to this new pitch range of movement. Yeah, I can tell that's already got a lot more pitch. But it should give me a bit more negative response now too, so I needed that, because when it was getting low then I barely had enough negative pitch to bring it upright again. So alright, let's go. Oh, probably not good to practice this because my fingers are shaking. Anyway, that's definitely got a lot more control response. God, my heart's pounding. Not ideal to practice this, but just don't want to crash my Gaui, that's all. It's actually quite easy to fly inverted, it's just a matter of getting rid of the nerves. And my fingers are just shaking on the stick so much. I'm sure we all know that feeling. Oh, I've had enough of that. I think I'll wait for another day. Whew. I can hardly stand up, I'm shaking that much. But anyway, it's definitely flying so smooth and so quiet after lubrication this morning. Put it back to idle up to pitch curve. Yeah, that's nice having a little bit more pitch range. I just need to let that process in my head. It was actually very easy flying inverted because of the stability of the helicopter, and if I can get to the point where I'm not shaking and my fingers are full of adrenaline shakes, then I'm sure I can fly this thing down at head height inverted quite easily, because it's not difficult. Certainly probably just as easy as the MCPX in some ways. Whew, I'm all flushed in the face now from adrenaline. Like a little schoolgirl. That's hilarious. Oh, all the smoothness is gone now. Not sure if it's coming through in the video, but it's probably making half the noise that it was making prior to the lubrication. I went in and lubricated everything, even the bearings on the motor itself. Every joint, every part of the head, every gear, even the rotor holders on the tail, just in the bearings there, I lubricated absolutely everything. And it's just so quiet and smooth. Ah, that was good. I'm definitely going to practice inverted with this one a lot more. Just need to keep doing it until the adrenaline disappears. And now I'm just talking too much because I'm just trying to use up that energy flowing through my body. Whew. God, this is just incredibly good after being lubricated, and there's just no wind at the moment. Just going to fly this, then I'm going to fly the 450 MT again, Then I'm going to take my Eurofighter down to the park and give that a fly now that the grass has dried up. And there's my 8 minutes. And then I'm going to go to the hobby shop and I'm going to buy the F27Q Striker, the new one from Park Zone. That thing does 120 miles per hour, which is 200 kilometers an hour, and I think that would be a lot of fun. Okay, there's back to normal mode, and again you can't believe how smooth and stable it is in normal mode. I can almost see the rotors spinning around, and it's just flying so wonderfully. God, I love this hobby. Like, today's one of the highlights of the whole year, flying helicopters. I've just had a great day. Okay, rotate to the left to nose in. That's the one I need to practice. Rotate left, rotate left. Okay, thanks for watching. That was just awesome fun.